Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roles in a Discord server. First, open your Discord application and select the server where you want to add roles. Click on the server name at the top left, then choose Server Settings from the drop-down menu. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your server, including its members and their permissions. Once in Server Settings, click on Roles in the left sidebar. You'll see a list of existing roles, if any. To create a new one, click the Create Role button. Give your role a descriptive name such as Admin or Newcomer, and select a unique color to help distinguish it from others. This visual cue is very helpful. After naming your role, you'll see a comprehensive list of permissions. Carefully review and toggle permissions on or off based on what you want members with this role to be able to do. For example, you might grant Manage Channels to a moderator role, but not to a general member role. Always remember to save your changes. To assign a role, go to Members in Server Settings, click on a member, and select the roles you wish to give them. You can also adjust the role hierarchy by dragging roles up or down in the roles list. Higher roles override lower ones. This ensures proper permission management. Also, for more great tips and deals, check the description below for links, including one for the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.